Today we'll be going through a couple of shortcuts and normal beginner tutorial for anyone who's looking to master Microsoft Excel. Whether you are a student, professional, or simply interested in having Excel skill. Let's say we are starting with this information. I want to start by centralizing the title. So I will select across where I want it to be centralized. Right-click, then go to Format Cell. Under Alignments, select this under Horizontal Center Across Selection and press OK. So, with this you can select your columns without having any issue. So it's more preferable than using Merge and Centralize Cell. Moving forward, if you ever need to go to Edit mode, you can press F2. This is going to take you to the end of the text that you have. If you want to continue with that text, you can just start typing like so, for example, Department. Since our title has departmental, I don't need to repeat that again. So if you're typing over the cell, it's going to replace everything that was in the cell, like so. I'm typing finance, then I'm going to press tab, then type in the figures for each month, January, February, March, April. For where I have similar figures, don't forget that you can use the fill handle, so you can click and drag. May, and then June. Let me add in more departmental information. Let's adjust the column width. So I'm going to highlight all of these together, and then double-click to make this fit. Now, if it's too tight, I can expand this a little bit. If I select any of these while the rest are highlighted, it's going to make the same adjustment to the rest as well. In case you want to move something to be in the middle. So, let's say I don't want HR in the bottom, I want it to be between finance and engineering. You can select it and move it, but while you're moving it, don't just drop it because it will says there's already data in there. So what we want to do is bring it and put it in between finance and engineering. So while you're dragging this, hold down the Shift key, and then you see the green line showing where it will drop into. Now, if you let go of the mouse, it's going to drop in between finance and engineering. I will repeat the process and drop the HR to be the first on the report. Moving forward, let's say we give our figure a color and want to alley that formatting to other cells, I will use the paintbrush icon. So, for example, I want to color green for this, and I want to apply that to the other ones. I can just go and click on the paintbrush, click on the cell I want, and it automatically applies the formatting. Now, this is not just for color, it's any type of formatting you have. It can be a combination of bold, font, cell borders, etc. If you want to apply that formatting to multiple cells, double-click on this paintbrush, and then you can reuse that formatting and apply it to multiple cells. Once you're done, press Escape to remove it. If you want to sum up these values, select the rows. You can use the great shortcut key for this, which is Alt equals. That's it.